Hi guys, welcome to the live tutelage. Now in this session, I am going to explain about Java date and time methods. Java date and time methods, or we call that as a functions. So generally we use that date and time methods to display the current system date, or to print the current year, or to print the current time, or if you want to print the current day you can print it, or if you want to do any manipulation with the date and time. So if you want to change the format of the calendar, or if you want to change the format of the date to be displayed, I can go and use directly the date and time methods. That means the Java will have an inbuilt methods or inbuilt functions, so which I can directly display it, and I can use it as per my application. So for this, no need to write any special code or any special instructions for displaying of the date or time. Now here, if you see this is my simple class, which is an example of date which I have created. Now this is a simple main method. Now I'm going to print the current date. We will see in this session how to print the current date or current year, or how do I change the format of my date. Okay, so that means before going for this, let me introduce one package called util. So your Java is a package, Java is a software which will have almost all number of folders. In the previous sessions I have discussed about what is a package, and in software of Java all packages will be in the form of the folders. So whatever that we use it here, like void main, string, public, static, and this class, and this is the public, all these kind of methods or keywords are inbuilt in the software, and those built-in keywords and the functions will be stored in the form of packages. And when I want to use all these packages wherever I want, I can directly import it by using this import statement. So import Java. So in this Java, if I just put dot, so you will get all these like applet, AWT, event, font. These are all inbuilt keywords or inbuilt classes, we can say. These are all the inbuilt classes, and this will be, all these classes will be stored in the form of a packages. And I can directly import this, and I can directly use whatever the keyword, functions, or methods which is already written in this package. So for date and time manipulations, I need to import java.util package, java.util. So this util class, this is a util class, and this class consists of all date and of course almost all kind of library functions, and of course the methods and classes. Okay, and if I want to go for a particular class, which is a date class, okay, so this util is a package. This package consists again the classes, okay, and in that class one is my date class, right? So date is a class where I can directly get some methods which is already defined in this class, right? Since I said this is a class, so based on our previous sessions, we can even create an objects for my class. Now how we will create an object for this class? So date is my class and dt is my user defined name. So I'm just declaring an object for my date class, right? Now I'm going to print the current year. So how I can do it? So to print the current year, so I'm just typing my system.out.println, which is the print statement to print the date in the console. The object is dt dot. When I put dot again here, you can find all kind of methods in this date class. So toString, which will display you the current date and time. Now let me run this program. Now here if you observe this is today is Monday and October. The time is October 12th. The date is the 12th. And this is the time 1831. and 18 seconds. This is hours, minutes, and then seconds. It is in IST, Indian Standard Time, and the year is 2015. The year is 2015. Now, for example, if I want to print the current date, only the date I want to display it, just write the system.out.println and don't use toString, which will print the entire date, time, and year. So I want to print only the date. So just say get date or get date. Okay, now you can just run this, run Java application and say okay, proceed. Now you can find it here. Today the date is the 12th. Okay, if I want to print only the month, the number of the month, what is the number? So October is an October month. If I want to print it, just say dt dot and just say get month here. So you can find it here, the month. So just you press dot button, so it displays all the related methods. These are all called methods. ToString, get data, and get month is a method. And source code for all these, how this works is everything is written in the package called util, and in the util package you have a class called date. So in this date class you have the methods like ToString, right, get date and get month, and of course all the methods which is written for the date you can observe when you just press dt dot. So see here, all are the methods. You can do the experiment later. Just put dot and just try to print each and everything. So you will come to know all the methods. This is a method, this is a method. All these methods are inbuilt. So when I say dot, everything is coming, everything is pop up, right? So how this is coming? Because of I have declared the class, I have imported the class date. And where is this date class? This is in the package util. That's why I have used the statement import java.util.date. Okay. Now here what I am trying to do is I am just trying to print something called the current day or current date. So just do this, current month or get month is given the month, or I can just say get day. I can give dt dot, you can just say get day. You have the function here, just select it and say enter. Now you have 4 statements here. Now if you run this, you will get the 4. What is that 4 outputs we are displaying? The first one, which is you are just displaying first one is you are displaying the entire time zone, so which is this. And the second statement you are just displaying the date, which is 12. Third statement you are displaying get month. Month is October. Here you should get the number 10. But why it is saying the 9? The reason is it is just calculating, or it starts reading your month from 0. So 0 is January, 1 is February, and 2 is March, like that. October is 9. Now get day. Day is 1. How come this is 1? Because this is a Monday. So your Sunday will give the index as 0 and Monday will give the index as 1. The Tuesday 2, Wednesday 3, like that. The weekday is, it is the first day of the week. That means it is the first day of the week. Now suppose if I want to change the format of my date, so I have another package called import java.text. Okay, dot simple date format. So what is the simple date format will do this package again? So let us see here. Let me, as this is a class, I can just create an object for it. Simple date format, sub SDF is equal to new simple date format, right? Of here I am just going to display in a format like first I am going to display my day, then I will be displaying the month, then I will be displaying the year. So this is the format to display. Year should be 4 and month should be 2 and day should be 2. And now just try to print this with your system.out.println, system.out.println, Now here I am going to display the SDF dot format of my date, right? So this is the format of the date that you are going to display. Now just see here, and let me put everything into comments for our understanding, right? Up to here. Now only the format I am just displaying. Just run this. Now you can see here, see first date I am displaying, then the month it says 36. Why it says 36? Because then the year is 2005, right? Why it says 36 the month? The month is, yeah, here why this gives you the month as 36? Because is in a small letter. So Java is a case sensitive. So you have to give the format like as it is given in the syntax. So you cannot write for yes as with a capital S. Okay. So here the month should be in capital letters. Now you just run this and you can observe the month as 10, right? So this should be in capital, and your year Y also should be in capital, and D could be the small letters, and E is a Eastern time zone. Okay. Now you can even give this, or you cannot give even this. Okay. So the format should be like this. So this is a format if you want to display it like this, or suppose if you want to display it like a normal kind of format like this, the first one. So I'm just releasing the first comment, and let us see the difference of the first and second. So I'm just running this, and you can just see this. See, this is the entire date, time and year. And if you want the same thing should be displayed like this, you can display like this by using this method simple date format, which is in the class simple date format. Okay. So this is about Java date and time methods. Thank you.